Oh, hi friends! And welcome back to Lollybeep Bridge. Today's kitchen project, turkey cookie pops. I am so excited to make these turkeys with you today. I mean, look how cute they are with their little tail feathers and their beaks and their funny little eyes. They're adorable. And nothing says fall quite like a turkey, right? Okay, so what is always our first rule when we do any project in the kitchen? That's right, we're gonna ask a grown-up for permission. Because 1, we need to use the microwave today, so it could get a little hot. 2, these can get a little bit messy, so we wanna make sure that we have permission in case we do accidentally make a mess. Okay, so now that our grown-ups are on board, we need to protect our clothes. All right, our clothes are gonna stay clean today, and now we gotta make sure our hands are clean. So let's go wash them in some warm, soapy water so we don't get our turkeys dirty. Yeah. All right, so now that our hands are all clean and dry, and we've gathered everything we need to make our turkeys, we have one thing we need to do to prep for this project. We need to take our white candy melts and melt them in the microwave. So make sure you go and grab your grown-up to help you do that. All right, so we are gonna take our candy melts and stick them right in the microwave for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Yeah, looks good. All right, so now that our white candy melts are nice and melted, it's time to decorate our turkeys. So why don't you come on this side and then we can do this together? Yeah. All right, friends, we have all the things that we need to make our turkeys. So the first thing we want to do is grab a cookie and break it in half. Yeah. Then we're going to take a lollipop stick and we're gonna dip it right into the white candy melts. This is gonna act like a glue for us. So we're gonna put it here on this side and press it down, and then take the other part of the cookie and place it right on top. This way, the cookies will stick to the lollipop stick. There we go. So we're gonna let that dry for just a little bit. And while that's hardening up, we are gonna take our orange fondant and our red fondant, and we're gonna make the accessories for our turkeys. So the first accessory is going to be his beak. So we're gonna take a little bit of the orange fondant and roll it out, just like that. And then we're gonna pinch it together so it looks just like a little turkey beak. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so set that aside, grab the red fondant and take just a little bit like you did with the orange. And once again, we're gonna roll it into a little, it looks like a worm, I guess. Oh, that was too much. Let's try that again. Okay, here we go. There we go. And we're also gonna pinch this so that the ends meet up. And this is gonna be our turkey's little gobbler? Is that what they're called? The little red things that hang down? And let's speed this up. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I think our white candy melt must be dry by now. There we go. So now let's take our glass and we are gonna dip the cookie and the lollipop stick right into it to coat the entire thing in white candy melts. Oh, that looks good. So this is going to be the body of our turkey. Okay, let's take our candy corns and we're going to make a beautiful turkey tail. So just place them around the outside. You can use 2 or 3, or I think we'll use 4. Yeah, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Okay, we need 2 eyes for our turkey. There's 1 eye, boop. And there's eye number 2, boop. Okay, so let's put on a beak. We're gonna put it right next to the eyes. And then we're gonna take our little red gobbler and we're gonna put it right under the beak. Oh my goodness, friends, be very careful picking them up. Look how cute this is. Aren't these turning out so cute? All right, well, I have one more to finish up. But while I do that, why don't we take a look at the ingredients and the tools that we use to make this project a success? Cookies, candy melts, candy corn, candy eyes, fondant. We're going to use red and orange fondant, a glass, a spatula, lollipop sticks, and some parchment paper. Look how cute he is! Oh my gosh, friends, I have had so much fun making these turkey cookie pops with you today. I mean, they're so cute and adorable. And they're really tasty. All right, friends, if you enjoyed this kitchen project, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Yeah, and if you want to do this project at home, ask your grown-up to snap a picture of it and post it on Facebook or Instagram and tag us at Lollybeep Ridge. I would really love to see how you make the turkeys your own, because baking is sort of like art, isn't it? Yeah, you can make your turkeys look any way you want. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you again next time. Bye!